Alright. Gonna pop the hood and see what we can, see if we got a motor. Oh, I think we do. Yeah, watch yourself. This may not be good. God dang. I didn't know anything down here had a motor in it. But this one does. It's a big old thing. Golly, this hood is heavy. I wish I hadn't opened it now because it's done come out offline. Oh well. I don't think it's gonna hurt the motor. Take a quick look inside. Kitchen chair. Some old bulbs, a bucket. The ground. Yeah, you had to pull real hard to get them open. They probably been open 50 years. All right. Let's see what Mason Motor Company. So there may be live animals in here, so just know when I open this up, you may have to. Oh, there have been animals in here. Oh my gosh. This is one of the biggest rat's nests I've ever seen. I mean, that's probably, goodness gracious.
It's so big.
Look at all these car parts back here. There is no telling what's in this car. Original hubcaps. Man, that is a big, gotta be a squirrel or something. Or possum. Oh, so starts running out of it. A big old snake run out. What would you do?
I would die and then take it home.
Goodness, where'd they get all this? Where did they get all this mess? There ain't nothing down here that's got any fabric left in it. Oh well. All right, let's let this down. I'll dig in it another day. Pretty cool.
Well, that's what's in there. It's gonna be nasty.
Well.